Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, the SP500, what it done today, we stay here above the trend line, but the market, there is no power to break the last high here. You remember what me I told you, the one, the last high, and here when it came here, that rest in here, the one, I told you the market it need to go back up. The market it need to go back up to break that last high, which is here. So till now the market, what it's showing to us, it came here, it's showing to us there is a power here. It doesn't allow it to break that last high here. So what that indicating, that is indicating if the market give us here now a price action like that, the market is going to reverse, or you can even do like that. Look with me here what I'm going to do. You can come down here and you do it like that, and now you got here a triangle. Now you're waiting if that one came and close below that level here, that means the SP500 is going to fall down. If it's not, because maybe it will just come till here, because as you remember what else we said in the last videos, we said here we got a very stronger supply and demand zone, so it will come just here, then go back here, and it stays sideways here for some time. By the way, that stronger supply and demand zone, as we said, is it here. Look at it here. If you remember it here, is it that one? And it came to hit the market last time and rest in here. Then it came the Fed or the Jerome Powell, he says some things, then the market went up, but now it's showing it falling. So now us, what we do like that, and we do like that. We got here a triangle, and we got here that trend line like that. Look at it. So if it came down here and breaking both of them here, it's going to fall down, or it will just touch them here, then it will go back up. So you, what is it, the scenarios? If it came down here and breaking down here, you enter short. If it came like that and doing something like that, then it went up and breaking up, you enter long. That's it. That's the scenarios you have now. Everything is too clear. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying for pictures to get more clear to you. The one here, it's showing us, also we are here at the overbought area. So technically now also we need to look in for short opportunity. Short opportunity, I'll show you. We are in a very stronger level. I want to go to the daily now level. Look at it. You are in an uptrend. So it need that one to come at least to break down here for you to enter short. Second thing, what is it? You got now a price action. The price action will give it to you. That peak is higher than that peak. Yes or no? Then you got down here that line. If the market came like that and break a lower here, the market is going to change to a downtrend. It will go till the 200 moving average here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the triangle, it's looking very clear now here. Look at it. And you can even make it like that. But you got here in 30 minutes something else. What you got? You got here a symmetric triangle. If that one came down here and break it lower here, it's going to fall down again. Everything is too clear. You see how I draw that symmetric triangle or no? I came to the lower of that one and that one. Then I connecting them. But me personally, I think you need to look in at that one, because that one is more accurate than that symmetric triangle, because that one is going to break for you that level which is here. Picture is too clear, guys. And for the long, if it go up and break a low up here, it's going to go more higher. In yesterday video, what else we said, we used to have here the trend line like that, or the down channel like that. If people have been with us, they remember that. It came the Fed, Jerome Powell, the news, look what it done. It push it up till here, then it fall down again. So the entry, it was from here. That's why me I told you waiting always 1 hour after the news. So if you look in here, over here you got 2 candles. So that's the time of news. You don't need to enter. After news, it's breaking here. Will have you enter till here. Look how many profit will have you make. Picture is too clear. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it enter here to the overbought area. So technically now you need to look in for a short opportunity. A short opportunity, I'll show you how to enter in it. You do like that. That triangle you got here. If it came lower here and break it down here, you enter short. That's it. There is nothing complicated or something hard. Trading is very simple. You just need discipline from you. You put the pattern in front of you and you wait it to complete it. That's it. That's how is it trading, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, same thing. You got here a triangle here. If it came here and break a lower here, you enter short till the 200 moving average. Another thing, what we used to have here, that up channel like that. Look at it. It's going to come to touch it here, maybe, or to break down, because till now we're still waiting. And what me I told you yesterday, I told you it need that one to go up to break for us the last high. But what happened here? I'm just trying to explain like that for everyone to understand. Even if you are a newbie in price action and those things, you will learn those things. So that one here, look with me here, when we are in an uptrend, market is give you here higher high, yes or no? Look at it, high, high, low, high, high, and over here low. If you want to learn those things very well, they are in our technical analysis course. The technical analysis course is down in the first comment, and the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks. It's up to you. So here what you seeing, the market give you higher low. It's like stairs. The market is being going up, but here in that place, look with me here, give you here a high, give you here a low, but the market couldn't give you another high. So there is something. Let's try it, yes or no? Look at it. It came up here and now it's falling. So over here, the market is showing you there is no more power to push in to break the last high, which is here. That's why us, we're looking now for a short opportunity, because the market is telling us that here in that place. Everything is too clear, guys. So for you to enter short, you do it like that. Look with me how I done it. And you waiting the break to happen here. If it happen, enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, us, we are here at the overbought area and we're being from down here. So technically, us, we need to look here for a short opportunity. Will that we enter from here? No. Look how many losses will that you lose. That's why us, we're waiting a price action. And over here, it came to us, what me are showing you. Over here, if it came and break a lower here, we will enter short, guys. Tell the 200 moving average, then we see what's going to happen there. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes, as we talking and it's still falling. Here in 30 minutes, what else we said in the last video? We said like that. We got here a down channel. It came the news, the time of news, as every time I tell people they follow me, don't enter in time of news. Look at it here, it fell down again. So from here, it will have you enter till the last high here. Yes or no? Now, did you got any price action here? You got here that uptrend like that. Yes or no? And you got something else. What else we been talking about in the 4 hours now? We said we got here like that. And here down like that. That's what else we said. So that one, if it came and break a lower here, we will enter short. Because that one is applying in the 4 hours and 30 minutes. And my advice to you to enter in it in 30 minutes. If it came and break a lower here, you enter short. Remember that. If it came and breaking that low here in 30 minutes, you enter short. I show you in the SP 500 and here in the Nasdaq 100 is the same thing. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's being here at the overbought area. Now it's going down. That's man, also we need to look in for a short. So enter short, I'll show you that level here. That one here. If it came here, the market and break it here, you enter short till the 200 in the 4 hours. Remember that. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what it's doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. That one here, what else we said here in the last video? We said we got here a down channel. It touched the top of it here. And what me I told you? I told you don't enter short now. And what you got here? That blue one, that the 200 moving average, yes or no? What the market showing you here? It's showing you as if it's going to go back up, yes or no? Like how it happened here. If you remember here, when it's breaking here, it's showing us here as if it's going to go back up, then it fall down again. Now what should we do here at that level here? Nothing, my friend. Either you waiting here a price action to give you here a double top or triple top or a triangle, or to break for you the trend line as we said yesterday, that one. Because if you're looking at it, it came here, it couldn't break it. Now it's showing it going back upward again. So here it's showing to us it going back up. If you go to the daily, I want to show you something in the daily. If we go to the daily here, you're going to see a clear picture compared to here. What you see in here in the daily. You remember that stronger support we used to have here, or that stronger level we used to have here. When it's getting broke here, it's breaking even inside the trend line. Then it came that indecision candle, that red one. And now what it's showing to us here, it's showing to us a pin bar here. That indicating that when maybe it will go in more higher. Yes or no? So should you enter long now here in the DXY? If it's breaking the last high, maybe, but till now it's not yet. It's going back to the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours, what should you do? Nothing, my friend. There is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. So you need to wait in more market to give you here a price action, because as I show you, also we are here in a down channel. Let me show it to you, a picture to get more clear to you. Look at that. If you came from here till here, You see that down channel, how sharp it is. It's just going up to touch the top of it. If it gives us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse, also we're going to enter with it. If it's breaking up here, that's another story. That's when the market it will reverse up and the DXY or US dollar, it will go very, very high. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it entered here to the overbought area. So technically now also we need to look in for a short opportunity. Did we got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse? No, my friend. What me I told you in the last videos. I told you either to give us here a price action or the market to give us here a trend line to break it for us. The market, what it done? It came to that trend line, but it's showing there is no power to break it. And now it's reversing upward. Now we will see if it's going to break for us the last high, which is here, or no. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, we got a small price action here. You see it or no? Look with me here. Look with me here. He tried to give you here, like a head and shoulder. What is the neckline? The neckline of that one is it here, like that. So if it came down here and breaking the 200 moving average, it's going to fall down. And what me I told you in the last video. The last video you can find it still in the channel where I analyze the SP500. I told you like that. We got here the trend line. I told you if it doesn't give us here a price action, we got here the trend line here. Look at that. We started from here and here. And I told you if it doesn't break here, there is no entry short. Did it break? No, my friend. It's going to break. Yes, my friend. Because there is no power to push more higher. Look at that. So if that one came and break a lower here, you should enter short. Look at that. If that one came and break a lower here, you should enter short in the DXY. As man, you shorten the US dollar. So if you are trading, because let me make it things very simple for you. So if you trading like British pound against US dollar, British pound, it will going up and US dollar, it will falling down. If you trading Euro USD, the Euro, it will going up and the US dollar, it will falling down. If you trading USD Japanese yen, US dollar it will falling down and Japanese yen it will go up. Everything is too clear, guys, and that it needs another lesson to explain all those things. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is showing us we are here at the oversold area. So technically now what should we looking for a buy opportunity? For us to enter long, what should we do? Look with me here. You got here the trend line here. If that one came and break it up here, we will enter long. That's it. That's how you need to trade the market. You don't care where it will go. If it came up here and breaking the trend line here, you enter long. If it came down here and breaking the trend line here, you enter short. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. That one, same thing. We said in the last videos like that. When it's breaking here, the trend line here, will have you into a long look till where? Till that last high, which is here. Now what the Bitcoin is giving us here, there is no power to push more higher. There is no a lot of bulls. But the 200, what it telling us? 200 moving average, I'm talking about. 200 moving average is telling us the market is flat. There is no power to pushing up or to pushing down. It gave us here any price action. Yes, look at it. It give you here like a triangle. If it came down and break a lower here, you need to enter short. Even in the 4 hours, it's going to give you the same thing. So if it's breaking that level here now, you enter short because that level here, it used to touch it. The market, look at it, how it used to bounce. Then it touches here. There is no power to push more higher. Now it's coming back to touch it. Now I think it's going, if it will up all a little bit, because if there is here pending orders. If it's breaking, it's going to fall down again, guys. So remember that. If it's breaking here, what should you do? You enter short. If it's breaking here, you enter short. If it go back up and breaking up here, you enter long. Remember that. I will explain it again. If the market came and breaking here the trend line, you see me how I draw it. You came to that one, and that one. You draw the trend line. If the market came and breaking here, you enter long again. If the market came and breaking lower here, and you are very close to break now. If the market came and breaking here, you enter short. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it enter here to the oversold area. Should you enter long? No, my friend. The enter long always if it came and breaking here. Now you need to looking for a short opportunity now. Now you need to looking for a short opportunity. Remember those things very, 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 very well. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finished. Bye for now.